Hey guys, so I'm Odette Lauzon, the Digital Media Director for the MacEwan Marketing Club. I'm just going to show you a little bit about how Wix works. If you've never used it before, this video might be helpful. So when you're registered with Wix, you can go in and edit your site. Oh, okay, so now you're in. You have your site, you have all these little things that you can click on here and explore. You'll also, with Wix, you have to design for your desktop and then as well as your mobile. It doesn't automatically do it for you. When I design on the web, on our website, I always click the tools and always add the toolbar because it just makes it more simpler to be able to like align things and change the height and width. So for here, we have a little button here. You can click it. You can change the text, the color, the layout. Here we have a little slider. You can go to settings and change how fast you want it to slide, the images, how large you want it. So down here we have our blog, which you can go to settings and change how many posts you want to be shown on your home page, and change what you want it to look like. So as we go down, we have a few number of blog posts. So here I set up this to market our new podcast for our club. And so if, say, you wanted to add something like an image here, you would go to these sidebars. Here just lets you go to the different pages, which you have to click in here to be able to go to them. To add an image, you can go in here. You can add all different kinds of things. If you want to add an image, you go to here. You can go into your uploads that you already have. Then it just takes some time to load. Okay, so for the podcast image, we want to add this to our page. We just click it. You can edit it if you want. Some of these options, you just add it to your page. And then here you can play around with the different size of how you want it to sit. You can even align it if you want it on, say, like the exact right side of your website. And if you want to look at how it looks like in real view of your website, you can always preview and see if you like it. If you do end up liking something, you can press publish and it will publish it to your live website, so people will actually be able to see those changes that you made. Here we have our startup Edmonton. We have videos. For these, you can decide if you want to change them to being on a loop, or if you just want them to play when you select the option and not continuously on a loop, like this. Yeah, and then you can also attach any of your YouTube videos or anything like that. It allows you to attach it right from your YouTube channel. And then we have sliders to promote our Instagram page, which is really cool. It just sets it up right for you. Now when you go to the settings, I just want to show you that favicon is really cool because you're going to want to make sure that you upload a nice image that you would want to be shown on your tabs when you're searching. So it looks really nice. So as well, if you've never used Wix before, you can go to your domain, which takes a little bit to load. Okay. And then once you're there, we have this is our domain, MacEwan Marketing Club. And with Wix, it kind of, when you go with Wix, it sets it up for you. You're allowed to register for a domain through Wix, and we pay for our club about just over $100 for a domain, whereas you can separately get your own domains. But it's easier for like a smaller thing like our club just to do it with Wix. And yeah, those are just some general overview things that you can do in Wix. Thanks for listening.